Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Sorry I've been missing, but I've been hosting an OmniCamp for the last 4 days. And when you're at an OmniCamp, you get my undivided attention. So, of course, I've been following, but I haven't been able to come and do these live videos for you. So, thank you for tuning in. This is Tuesday night. This video is for trading on Wednesday, Jan 21st, 2026. Remember how risky trading is. Risky, risky, risky. No matter what asset you're trading, it is risky. Put your protective stops in first before you begin to trade. So, first things first. Congratulations to David and Shri. They had a little baby boy. She said, I can't wait to see the baby. Shri's so beautiful. The baby's going to be beautiful. Good job, guys. I can't wait to see it. That beautiful little baby. Congratulations to you both. Which is why I've been doing these desktop shoots lately, because, you know, the baby's on its way. Now the baby's here. So as soon as David's ready, I'll get back out in front of the camera. But David, Shri, love you guys. Take care of your baby. Can't wait to see it. All right, so for trading on Wednesday, E-mini S&P, double top. I guess it's always the same, right? When we see a double top, we sell a double top, because look at the end result. Even though it waited a little while before it finally went, right? Jigger-jagged around a little bit and then finally did its job. Now, Omni's red, but there is one thing we have to watch out for, and that is what I have circled here. This average gets hit, vicious hit, but it only stays under for a day and a half, 2 days, and then right back up. This guy, hit it once, right back up. This guy, I don't know what it's going to do. There is a gap above, right? We got this gap right here, but I don't know. It's going to go fill the gap tomorrow. It might take a couple of days before we get back up there, but let's see. I will say this drop is basically due from what we see. We have a technical reason up here. Then the news comes out. Donald Trump did some tariffs about Greenland, and just remember this. Each time he did tariffs, it did not last very long, the dip in the market. So be careful down here, okay? Don't let emotions get involved. We only go based on what we've seen in the past. And no matter how scary those tariffs were in the beginning, in the past, no matter how scary it seemed in the beginning, the markets held and recovered quickly. So be careful. What else is going on out there? So let me show you something else I think you will find. I think at least you will find it as interesting as I did. Look at this next market. It's insane. Watch this. Look at metals. Look at gold. Now, I did a webinar live plus a video on YouTube a couple of times last week. Webinar maybe 10 days ago or whatever the date was. And I showed you that metals are creatures of channels for whatever reason, the channel formation. And I showed you this long channel, how it obeyed the channel, right? It just seemed to stay inside of it, finally breaks out, creates that new big green channel. Inside the green channel, we got the blue channel, gets to the bottom of the green channel, creates a new blue channel, gets above the green channel, tests it, and is breaking out of the blue channel. A creature of channels, right? Well, look at this next creature. Look at silver. Oh my goodness, you got to give this thing a round of applause. And we're going to talk about silver for a moment. They're telling me that there's no volume. Is there no volume here? That would be terrible. Let's see. I believe this is the volume's recording, and at least it should be, kids. Don't know why you guys aren't getting it. It's not on mute, but you should be getting volume right now. In any event, this is a YouTube video, so let's get this thing done. We had a 94 target in silver, and 94 has been hit. We're just above it right now. We're actually in a long silver trade, and it's doing really well right now. So silver's been all over the map. OmniX got long tonight for a day trade. So far, so good there. But silver hit the 94 target, and same sort of thing, creature of these channels, right? Look at this thing. This channel goes way back before the screen. You can't even see it on the left of the screen. Oh, you know, it seems to respect the channel until it breaks out into the blue one. Respects the blue channel. A little pop out there. Then look at this. Another creature of channels, and that creature looks like it's creeping higher. So very good on what we're seeing so far. And watch, we've got another one that it's very questionable what's coming next. Look at this one, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you know, if you recall, Omni gave us 126 target when we were down in like the 85 area, and Bitcoin comes up and hits the 126 target magically, and then starts to drop. So when it started to drop, we put out an 80,200 target, and it got down to 80,400 and change, almost hit that target. Right around then, we were calling 4 weeks in advance, if you recall. We were calling for the end of Bitcoin winter, and, you know, it seemed to have gotten into a nice upwards channel so far. Well, we're still in that channel. It hasn't broken under it yet. Let's see what tomorrow brings on Wednesday. And then, you know, there's something that I'm just so proud of. OmniX, look at the Omni trading token. This is our community token. I am so proud of this token. I am so proud of all of you. I'm so proud that you are doing exactly what you promised you would do. And that was, if you seen traders getting out of the token, OmniX from around the world would come in and buy little parts and just send it right back up. And if they want out, we'll do the buybacks. You know I'm always there doing those buybacks with you. Well, take a look at what's happened. The Omni trading token, by the way, it's now on Coinbase wallet. We have been legitimized. I got to ring the bell for that. We have been legitimized. We've worked so hard to make this an organic coin with no nonsense, hiring no bots, not letting any of that stuff happen. I've been there to support all of you when you need me with this token as it's moving up and traders want out, as I mentioned. I'm there to support you. You support me. God bless all of you for that. But look at this token. So it had a bull flag, rallied out, created another bull flag, which I left a question mark next to up until 3-4 days ago. And boom, another rally out of the bull flag. The token's doing exactly what we expected it to do, what we'd hoped for. Now, the last time it broke out of the bull flag, it had a little bit of a down spurt afterwards, then boom, rally. And here we are, bull flag, broke out, a little bit of a down spurt. It's exactly the same repetitive pattern. So, on Coinbase Wallet, Coinbase itself, you can't, well, you'll have to move over to your Coinbase wallet where you can buy the Omni token and use the address below this video. Use my Omni coin address below in this video to make sure that you search for the proper Omni token on Coinbase. But you can buy it right on Coinbase. You know what that means? No more having to move over to a phantom wallet and buy Solana to swap it out. Right there on Coinbase, you get to just buy your Omni token. Is that not incredible, Coinbase? Thank you so much for approving that and letting us through. That really legitimizes the fact that we have been organic with this token. We've been honest, and us Omniacs are helping people all over the world with this. I promise you that is not exaggerating. I've had calls from people and emails and or other such contact in other countries that have said, Oscar, in the country we live in, the amount of money we've been able to make owning this token, you have changed my life. I've heard that from many. God bless all of us on that. God bless this Omni token. And traders, you keep defending yourselves. I'll keep defending you as well. And organically, we'll continue to raise this token. Now, I certainly have our influencers. They worked all week long, by the way, right before that rally. We've got them working again for the next few months. So we're putting this all together. And when that Clarity Act is signed, I'm putting utility right into this token. So please make sure you go out and buy your Omni tokens. It's doing really well. I wish all of you success there. Watch out what you do in that silver. Make sure you take your profits when they come. And be careful with that S&P, maybe wanting to fill the gap in a couple of days. Barring that, I will say to you, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, thank you for tuning in. I wish you great success in trading tomorrow.